Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Instagram story and Instagram post with font links and these files for Adobe Illustrator. You see here startup technology Instagram templates. Okay, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, join me. And last is Telegram channel, Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video. First here, join me. Okay, here is post and here is story. You see AI and DPS. For example, open this one. You see here post layer. For example, select this one, extract. Here is a text layer and here is graphic, here is image, and last is background. Okay, so now we need an image. For example, open this one or this one. Okay, and drag there. Image here. Press shift. Okay. You can adjust your own choice. Okay, I think here is okay. Now we need a font link. Sheri, okay, sorry. Depend your own choice, you can write anything. Same thing here, just open your image and drag here. Now we need any other photo like this one. Drag there. Now press shift. Okay, our post is ready. Same thing here, right name, employer, and here is a photo option. I know you can do it. Click on image, extract. Now open any image. Okay, like this one, drag there. Now, and here is image. Press shift. Our post is ready. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.